Hi, and welcome back to my channel, where I'm documenting my journey on the Optavia 5-in-1 program. Today, I have a fueling hack for you, brownie pudding cups. They're absolutely delicious. So first you're gonna need 2 of our fuelings, the decadent chocolate brownie mix and the chocolate fudge pudding mix. And then the only other ingredient you're going to need is the Walden Farms caramel syrup. I got this recipe again from my favorite website for lean and green and fueling hacks, Sandy's Kitchen. She calls it Fluffy's brownie pudding cups, and I will link that recipe below. But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to prepare our brownie mix according to directions. I want to show you this cute little gadget. This is a tiny little measuring cup that I got at Walmart, and it is a 1/4 cup, but it measures out the tablespoons. So I have 3 tablespoons of water measured and ready to go for the brownie mix. So let me get that started. And then I'm going to divide these evenly into these 2 ramekins. And I'm going to use my food scale to make sure that they're even. And then once I get these measured out, I'm going to microwave them for 1 minute. Okay, so I measured these out equally. It turned out to be exactly 1 ounce each. So now I'm going to pop these in the microwave for a minute. Okay, I just took these out of the microwave. They're kind of hot actually. And you can see that forms the brownie base to our brownie pudding cup. Now the next step, of course, is to make the pudding. So I have 1/2 cup of cold water and my pudding mix, my pudding fueling. And normally I would blend this up with my Zalai hand mixer. However, it broke. So I have another one I ordered from Amazon, and it's due to arrive actually later tonight. But I wanted to make this fueling. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy whisk that I also got at Walmart. So we'll mix that up. And then we're gonna measure this out into equal portions. Okay, so I'm going to zero out my scale, and I'm looking to get about 2.3 ounces of pudding on the top here. Okay, now I have these even. So the final step is to drizzle 1 tablespoon of the Walden Farms caramel syrup on each, and then kind of blend it in with a knife. And when all is said and done, it will be 1 fueling and 1/2 of a condiment. Because of course, 2 tablespoons of Walden Farms syrup is a condiment.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah.
So you can kind of see. Now the next step is to refrigerate this until we're ready to eat this. So just to update you a little bit, before I pop these in the refrigerator, I'm on day 12 of my 30-day restart. I did have a slip up over Easter, I have to admit. I don't know about you guys and what your triggers are, but one of my biggest ones is wine. I am a wine drinker. I love wine. And on Easter, I was over at my daughter's house and everybody was drinking wine, and I had a LaCroix and, sat there and I was good. And then finally, I let a little bit of peer pressure get to me and someone offered me a glass and I took it. I don't know what the answer is to the alcohol question. It's not on the Optavia plan, and it will set your journey back. I have found for the most part that when I go out, I like club soda with a lime or a lemon and a lime, and then that still makes me feel festive. I'm really trying to stick to the program because I really want to finally start heading towards meeting my goals. But tonight I am actually going to go out to dinner with Mike. We're going to a local restaurant. It's unseasonably warm here. Well, I shouldn't say unseasonably. It's in April and sometimes we get warm days, but it's about 82 degrees and I live in Ohio. So we're going to enjoy this nice weather before it turns cold and gloomy again and go have dinner at a local restaurant on their patio. And I've already looked at the menu online and I'm going to get a grilled chicken salad. So I'll have some dressing on the side for my healthy fat, and the grilled chicken, and obviously the salad will be my greens. And then when we come home, I'm going to have Mike try this as well, since it made 2 servings. So maybe he'll let you see him on camera. We'll see, and see how he likes this. Not being someone who's on the Optavia plan, I'm curious to see if he thinks this is as good as I do. I will check back after dinner. Hi, this is Mike.
Hi.
And we are both going to taste test this fueling hack. We'll get his honest opinion.
Oh my God, that is so good.
You think?
Really good.
Okay.
It's really good.
All right. Well, I guess it's a winner.
I'll keep eating.
Well, I guess Mike really liked it. I asked him off camera, and he assured me that he was not just saying it, that he loved it. So if you guys try this, please comment below and tell me what you think. I was thinking another way you could adapt this recipe would be to use PB2 sauce instead of caramel syrup. I think that would be really good too. I may try that next time. So if you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime I post new videos. And I have a lot of new videos coming, more recipes for lean and greens and fueling hacks. And I hope you guys have a great evening. Mike and I are watching a movie. We're actually watching an oldie but a goodie, Fallen with Denzel Washington. It's kind of a supernatural thriller. So I'm going to get back to that. And you guys have a great night, and I'll see you next time.